Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter 4, algorithm strategies. What do you mean by algorithm? Already you know that the algorithm is step by step instruction to solve the problem. So an algorithm is finite set of instruction to accomplish particular task. Okay, a particular task. So it's a very simple. You are saying step by step procedure for solving given problem. An algorithm can be implemented in any suitable programming language. So one long program and small any program you can able to algorithm your writing. It is easily understood to all the persons. Algorithm must have input, output and should satisfy the following characteristics such as definiteness, correctness and effectiveness. Data are maintained and manipulated effectively through data structure. Algorithm can be developed and stored, manipulated and retrieve data from data structure. For examples for the data structure on array. What is the data structures? Array, structures, list, tuples and dictionary, etc. Already we studied. So what is the mean by arrays and structures and list and tuple and dictionary, etc. So what is the mean by search? To search an item in a data structure using linear and binary search. What is the two programming? Linear and binary search. And sort means the sort item in the certain order using the methods such as bubble sort, intersection sort and selection sort. This is also program. And insert, this is the data structure. So insert some of the item in the table. And update, it is a exiting item we are using in the data structure. And delete, so exiting item already will be there in the row and column. You have to be able to delete. So this time we are using the data structure format is the delete. So the way of defining an algorithm is called algorithm strategies. This way of you are creating the algorithm, that method is called the algorithm strategy. For example, calculate the factorial for given value n. What is the value they will giving the program? Factorial number of given the value is n. So you can then be defining the function to calculate factorial once for the iteration 1. Iteration, you know the iteration method is looping statement. They will execute when the condition will be going to true, that time only they execute and define the result of the program. So then is called the recursively until the number of record iteration is reached. When the condition going to reach the true, that time only the statement will be executed. The word algorithm comes from the name of the Persian author. What is the name in? Abu Jafar Muhammad Ibn Musa. What is the name of? Abu Jafar Muhammad Ibn Musa another Khwarizmi. So what is the year? 1825 AD. Who wrote the textbook on mathematics? What is the book he will be wrote? Textbook on mathematics. The word algorithm has come to refer the method. So what is the method one? The word algorithm has come to refer the method to solve the problem. So it have easily solved to any of the programmer. So then only they have find out the book for the algorithm book. Who wrote? Abu Jafar Muhammad Ibn Musa Khwarizmi. Understood all of you? Thank you, student.